I'm Mike Johnson, that's my wife Allison, and our son Caden. And we just bought an 120-year-old farmhouse on 15 acres. We set this channel up so that you can follow us on our journey to renovate this property into a retreat that our family and friends can enjoy for decades to come. But I gotta warn you, there will be challenges, and this won't be easy.
And whoa, look at that.
But then again, what worth having is easy. So hit the subscribe button and we'll bring you along every step of the way. Let's go. We are going to take a crack at demoing this shower unit.
Monkey.
When I started to take off the wood around the unit, I see that it's attached to the studs through these screws. So I think that taking off the wood is the right way to go.
Click that subscribe button.